Okay, so we will be looking at multi-sim circuits 1, 2, 9, and 10. So for 1 and 2, our truth table is 0, 0 should give us a 1. So we're gonna play the simulation. So okay, so first let's start out with looking at multi-sim circuit number 1. It says that a so a 0 and a 0. So right now we have it on both of them on 0. That gives us a light on number 1. Then 0 and 1 should give us a off, so we get off. Then 1 and 0 should also be off, and then 1 and 1 should be on. So our multi-sim circuit 1 is working fine. Let's look at multi-sim circuit number 2. For number 2, the truth table states that 0, 0 should give us an on. So 0, 0 gives us an on for number 2. 0, 1 gives us an off. 1, 0 gives us an on. And 1 and 1, 1 gives us an on for multi-sim circuit number 1, number 2. So circuit 2 is fine. Let's look at number 9. Okay, so number 9 states, number 9's truth table is that a 0, 0, 0 should give us a 0. So 0, 0, 0 for number 9 gives us an off. 0, 0, 1 should also give us an off. 0, 1, 0 should give us an on, so that's correct. 0, 1, 1 should also give us an on, so that is correct. 1, 0, 0 should give us an off, which is off. And 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 should give us an off as well, which is correct for 9. 1, 1, 0 should give us an on, which is good. It's working correctly. And a 1, 1, 1 should give us an off. So multi-sim circuit number 9 is working perfectly fine. Now let's look at number 10. So for circuit number 10, okay, so our truth table states that a 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Oh, I should have started at 0, 0, 0. Okay, well 0, 0, 1 should give us a 0, so that's good. A 0, 0, 0 should give us a 0, which is good. A 0, 1, 1 should give us an on, which is on. A 0, 1, 0 should give us an off, which gives us off. A 1, 0, 0 should give us a 0, which is good. 1, 0. A 1, 0, 0 gives us an off, and a 1, 1, 1 should give us an on. So 1, 1, 1. We have our multi-sim circuit number 10 on, and a 1, 1, 0 should give us a on, which gives us an on. So for multi-sim circuit number 10, everything else is also working correctly. We can double check 10 real quick just to make sure it's working, because double checking is always good. So again, a 0, 0, 1 gives us a 0 for 10. A 0, 0, 0 gives us a 0 for 10. A 0, 1, 1 gives us an on for 10, which is good. A 0, 1, 0 gives us an off for 10. A 1, 0, 1 gives us an on for 10. A 1, 0, 0 gives us an off. A 1, 1, 1 gives us an on, and a 1, 1 off gives us a 1. So 10 is working fine as well.